In the live composite mode, you can create stunning long exposure images without the need for post-processing. The camera will continuously combine multiple exposures to create one final image. Start by selecting B mode from the mode dial. With the rear dial, you're able to navigate between different long exposure photo modes and choose live composite. When live composite is selected, the first thing to do is set the base exposure time for the shot by pressing the menu button. It can be set anywhere between half a second and 60 seconds, and this defines how much light the final image has. Next, you need to choose the focus point in your composition. Now you're going to take a base exposure shot that determines the amount of light the photo has without any other lights added. Press the shutter once to prepare the camera for composite shooting. And now the camera is ready, you can press the shutter again to start composite shooting. The camera will be taking photos all the time, but the exposure doesn't change unless something brighter that is already in the view is added to the scene. When you are finished with the composite, press the shutter again to stop recording.